Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got one beautiful TMG Volunteer rolling out shop today. About to load it up on a trailer, ship it across country. You know how we do. But I wanted y'all to check it out first. Now, guys, the Volunteer is our Texas style, built in Tennessee by the best traditional float smoker. All right, now there are a couple things that set the Volunteer apart from all the other traditional float smokers that kind of look like this. They ain't this. They don't look like this because they ain't this, but they look similar. All right, now the major difference is just the size of this bad boy. I'm talking 52 inches long, 27.5 inches deep, so you got a lot of room in here. Bottom and top sliding grates. We have done 11 briskets in this thing, guys. We got the video on our YouTube, check that out. Got your fire poker in there, of course. We do a little built-in shelf right here for your water pan. That way you're not taking up valuable cooking room in here. Now, we did do a couple upgrades on this unit. We've got the stainless steel front shelf, normally would be wire mesh. That's a nice upgrade to add on to your pit, guys. Also, the off-road package with the upgraded wheels and tires makes it super easy to move around. The fold-down stack is standard on the Volunteer, all right? You ain't got to pay extra for that. The 3/8 thick, that's right, 3/8 thick firebox, that's standard on this pit. 26 inches long, so you got a really big firebox. Smoker runs great, guys. Build you a fire in there, smoke you some killer brisket. That's all there is to it. So y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.